everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a winter party edition try on haul from the brand Karin, and I am so excited because I have some gorgeous items to share with you. And as we're fastly approaching the holiday seasons, these outfits are perfect for that. But before we get started, I wanted to say welcome if you're new around here. My name is Fabiola. For those of you that don't know me, I love to create lifestyle, fashion, and beauty videos, and I would absolutely love it if you consider subscribing to my channel if you have not done already. Also, make sure to click that notification bell and check out my blog at FABIOLAGBEAUTY.com. That is where I normally leave all the links, pictures, details, everything, as well as down in the description bar below, so make sure you check it out. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So here is the first outfit, and oh my goodness, you guys, I wish you could like see this dress in person. It is beautiful. It's gold and it has all these sequins throughout the dress. It's so sparkly, beautiful. It's like perfect for like a party, for a night out. And look at the sleeve detailing. Isn't it so pretty? It like just sparkles. It's off the shoulder, which I absolutely love. And it's so comfortable, you guys. This part here is so comfy. It doesn't feel scratchy, which I love. It does have like a zipper in the back that zippers the dress. And for me, this is like literally the perfect length. I paired it up with these like clear heels. And one thing that I like about the dress is that it has a lining, so you don't have to worry about it being like see-through or anything. It's just so beautiful, and it's like made out of this nice stretchy material, but it's fitted at the same time. Oh my goodness, you guys, this dress is just so pretty. So this next outfit is perfect for a party, and oh my goodness, I love this skirt, you guys. It's so pretty. Love the detailing on it. It has these like sequins all throughout the skirt, and it does have this like elastic band here, which is so comfy. It also has like these little hooks to secure the skirt. But overall, it's like true to size. I got it in the size medium. It fits perfect. It's also like the perfect length. And I paired it up with this like white top. It's like a sheer top. And then these boots. And I think this outfit is just perfect for like a night out with your friends, husband, boyfriend. It is gorgeous, you guys. I am obsessed with this skirt. Dress, you guys, love this dress. It is rose gold. They also have it in other colors, but oh my gosh, I love this dress. It's so pretty and elegant. So this dress has some like ruche detailing on the sides like that, and it's beautiful, you guys. And look at the sleeve detailing on this dress. It hangs down and it gives it like this really nice elegant look to it. And they did have this dress in like in other colors, but rose is my favorite color, so I got it in rose gold. And I am just like impressed by the quality on these dresses. Definitely adore this dress, you guys. I can't wait to wear this. And I paired it up with some like high heels. I don't really think it goes with like black high heels, but I didn't have any other colors, so I just wanted to show you guys like what it looks like. But love this dress. So this next dress is beautiful. It has this really nice detail. It's like a one sleeve dress and it is gorgeous. It's the perfect length, and I think this dress would be like perfect for like a night out, a romantic dinner, or like a nice cocktail party. It's beautiful, very like elegant, and it has these like little tiny micro sparkles throughout the dress. It's the perfect length and it is lined, and it is just so comfortable and very soft and stretchy. The material on this dress is definitely really good. So sadly, we're down to the last outfit. So here I am wearing this adorable sequin V-neck top. It's beautiful. And actually I like this top because it's V-neck, but you can also flip it around and get like a round neck. So you can use it like, I think you can use it both ways. So I have it in the V-neck because I just like that style. And this top, you guys, is such an amazing quality. It has the lining, and then it also has these zippers on both sides, so that way you can get like a nice fitted detail. You know, it's like really nice and fitted on this side, but it's also like made out of this like nice stretchy breathable material. And I got this in the size medium. They do also have it in other colors. I think sequins this season is just like a must. It looks amazing, and I paired it up with these like dressy legging pants, or I think they're called jeggings. And then I also have these like cheetah print booties, which I recently got. I adore this top. It's so beautiful, and like I said, you can dress it up or down depending on the occasion and what you wear over it. So yeah, this is the last item from Karin. So those are all the outfits that I got from Karin. Let me know in the comments down below which outfit was your favorite. I loved every single one of them. They're all so beautiful, great quality. I can't really pick a favorite because literally I loved them all. So I'm just gonna wait and see who invites me to a party so I can wear them, because I wanna wear them all before the end of the year. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe, rate, comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!